Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Tzatziki. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, which provides that wonderfully thick and creamy texture. Also, have ready 1/2 of a large cucumber, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and a handful of fresh dill. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and a little salt and pepper to taste. These simple components are the foundation of our delicious dip. Now let's prepare our cucumber, which is a key step for perfect Tzatziki. First, grate 1/2 of your large cucumber using the larger holes of a box grater. Once grated, transfer the cucumber to a clean kitchen towel or several layers of cheesecloth. This next part is super important. Squeeze out as much excess liquid as you possibly can. Removing this moisture ensures your Tzatziki remains thick and creamy, preventing it from becoming watery and diluting the flavors. With our cucumber ready, it's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Start by mincing 2 cloves of garlic very finely, or use a garlic press for ease. Then, finely chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. This herb is essential for authentic Tzatziki. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your thick Greek yogurt with the well-drained cucumber, minced garlic, and chopped dill. Now, gently stir in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, ensuring everything is well incorporated. Almost there. Now, it's time for the final touches before we enjoy our homemade Tzatziki. Season your mixture generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. Give everything a good stir to ensure all those delicious seasonings are evenly distributed throughout. Cover the bowl and refrigerate your Tzatziki for at least 30 minutes, or even better, for a few hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a truly irresistible dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.